I'm going to show you how to tie a bow with the extra wide sashes. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. It's going to look a little wrinkled. And so you'll see here all the way around is a really wide sash. I don't think you want this look. You could fold it in half and make it as thin as you want, as wide as you want. And I just fold it under all the way around. If you want this look really crisp fold, you can put some steam on it. Otherwise, I would just use your fingers. And then I fold it in half. Bring this back a bit, so you can see. And I'm gonna just tie a knot. Bring this over and around like this. And whichever one's ties on top, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna do that, fold that, and then you're gonna fold this. I kind of have this folded in half like this, and you're gonna bring it up and over, and you're gonna pull it through right here, like that. Okay, just like so. You can make this. Some people don't fold it in half right there, but since this is so thick, I'm doing that. And then what I do is I just kind of make it really tight, and then I slowly pull this out to get the bow style I want. And I kind of fix these up to look nice. I want it a little bit tighter. And pull this through. I have it a little off center here, but that is how I tied these big, thick silk wool bows.